Oh, we're crashing. We're crashing.
Where are you at?
I'm on the back stretch at the bridge.
I'm out of turn 2. I'm coming to you here. Coming to you here.
Oh! I hit the bridge!
Wow. Oh, I had a 528 in. Okay.
I'd say let it reach.
I'm telling everybody our speeds here, so why we sound like we have so much gear.
Audio video lab.
Weird.
That's why if you just put more gear in it,
you just put more gear in it, you have more gear.
You go faster if you turn more RPMs. When I used the 486 on the tack, it only said I was going 84 mile an hour. Now I go 90 mile an hour.
Yeah.
All right, boys, let's get her done.
I'm just gonna run a 9.
Yeah, pretty sick.
What a heat.
Chase in it. I was scared.
7/10 back. Just no oopsies here.
We just said pray for Keegan in chat. Oh, there's. Oh.
Get low on the straightaway, Chase.
Good job, Kendall.
Wow, he with the super bomb.
He got it too.
He's out of field.
You can run 8. I had one gun left.
Oh, Chase literally just ran out.
Chase said I've never wrecked anybody in
Hurry up and grid, son.
Oh, God. Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
I missed what happened.
I mean, 20 would have made it if I would have missed the grid.
Missed the grid.
You almost missed the grid, dude.
Bridge run off your left rear. Clear. Jesus, he about spun out getting in.
Oh, did I?
Helmet on the fence. You're clear up. Helmet turns down there off the top and didn't seem bad. Stopped her on the bottom. He enters on the curve in 3 and then drives down. Sliding you. In the fence. Clear. Some of them just hammering it back here, I assume. Yeah, all the way around. Probably not much better than 3 and 4. Thomas gonna be out there. Outside, James. Birds round back to 4th, working the very bottom. Both ends. Blake is 4th, rolling the middle, but he's got like no fuel. Started with 20. Keep that in mind if he shows up here. Outside, James. Slide himself both ends above y'all. Actually doesn't even slide all the way out. He just runs that crumb off at 4. Slides himself down here. You know, he just kind of peels down off it too, so he can get back to the straightaway moisture instead of falling it all the way out. Clear. That you'll probably drive away.
Did I hit him or is it a bad hitbox?
I couldn't tell.
I mean, I knew I was close, but I didn't think I was going to.
Yeah. No harm, no foul. I'll be amazed if Cannon makes some fuel behind you. And a 3rd here. Gotta stay with it. It's broke it, didn't it? Beat Holland by 2/10 there, James. I think Kendall's saving fuel. He don't look like he's full bore down the straightaways. Still about a little over 7.5 tenths. And he's got a clear cannon. There we go. Clear by 8 tenths. And it just slid him. Bergeron cleared him on the bottom too. They're racing like crazy back here. Full second. Bring it home. And Bergeron just moved Heilman. Heilman tried to spin him out and missed. Simmelman drove by almost both of them.
Damn it, man.
Did you get the wall?
Yeah. They climbed it too when it did.
Damn. That sucks. We were having a race and a half. Whoops.
It looked cool for a second.
Yeah. I was trying to stay off the wall.
Jason had tried to say be funny and say he had he still had a Swindell Sucks shirt from Johnny Murdoch. I told him that I made the shirts for Johnny and split the profit with him. And he goes, "Well,
What's the team speak?
Good job, James.
He said, "Well, I wiped my ass with it one night in the woods." I said, "Wait a second. You said you still have it. If you wiped your ass, did you put it back on?"
Whoops.
Jew.
Hey, Cannon has
Yeah.
0.6 left.
You were flying. How much fuel did you run?
21.
20.
Jeez.
I kept
You were
telling him, I
saving,
said, dude, if he
At the
gets
end,
here, he may not make it on fuel.
Am I
Yeah,
right?
I'm
Well,
sitting there and I'm on coal and I'm like, dude, Cannon's gonna run out. And you're getting down. I'm like, he's gonna run out anytime. He's
That's what I
gonna
kept
run out
telling him.
anytime.
I told James, like, I said, he's not running wide open out the straightaways. It's like, there's no way.
This thing working?
No.